Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by opening the Files app on your Chromebook and go to Trash. Check items there first because Trash holds files for 30 days. If you use Google Photos, open the Photos app and check its Trash folder. Google Photos also keeps deleted items for 30 days when backed up. Next, sign into Drive. Google.com and search your Google Drive for image files. Finally, look for any third-party backups or USB backups you might have made earlier. Open Photos, Google.com or the Photos app on your Chromebook to check Trash. Deleted images appear in Trash for 30 days when backed up to Google Photos. If you do not see files, confirm backup and sync was enabled in Account Settings. Visit Drive. Google.com to see if your images were synced to Google Drive instead of Photos. If you find files in Drive, select them and choose Download or Restore to return them to your device. If Trash and cloud backups fail, check any USB drives or SD cards you used. Sometimes photos were moved manually before deletion and are still on external media. You can enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook and run recovery tools cautiously for ext4 files. Alternatively, consider a Chrome extension that supports file recovery, but review permissions carefully. If you experience sync or account issues, contact Google Support for account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.